How's everybody doing? Today we're going to do a box opening and a review on this box from Lifted Ladies. So let's see what's inside. Alright, well, let's see. Witching Hour. Inside we should get a water piece, a magic pipe, let's see, CBD bath and body oil, a spell book pin, a skull bag, an air freshener, a flip tube, a sticker, and that's it. And then hashtag Lifted Ladies box. So let's go ahead and look inside. I'm gonna put this stuff down. So it's a little tube. Just put your little joints in. It's empty. Nothing in there. Next, let's see. I'm gonna just like that, so I can see. All right, great. Let's see what this is. Oh, it looks like it's just a piece for the glass bowl. Oh, look, it's so small. Oh, a little bowl. Oh, it's a great size bowl. It's perfect. Put that there. Alright, let's keep going. Should I save that for last? No, let's just get in there. Let's get in there. See what it's like. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I wish I had some flour to smoke out of it right now. I have an oil. Wow, this thing. I'm so excited. Dang. Wow. Look at that piece. It was gorgeous. Bang. Look at that. Thing's neat. Can't wait to get some flour for that. There's a little witch book pendant. It's really nice. A little sticker. It's really trippy. Oh, look at that. It's a Ouija board. Oh, sorry. Can't really smell it. I'm gonna crack it open. Just a little bit. Woo! Smells like soap. I'm not sure what kind of soap. But soap. Alright, what's in here? Ooh, a little pipe. This is magic on it. Magic. I've had pipes like this before, but they smell great. I'm really happy about this pipe. Yeah, I'm really excited about this box this month. Stoked about it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, 100 milligram CBD bath and body oil. Sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, cannabis, cannabinoid oil, hemp seed oil, lime, essential oil, fragrance, diheptylsuccinate, and caprolol glycerine sorbatic, and whatever. Anyway, directions. Use 1 or 2 drops full into a full bath and use after bath. Oil and lock in moisture. May make bath slippery. Do not ingest. Oh man, I'm glad I read that. I was just thinking about ingesting it. I was about to say, oh my god. Ingest? No. Next. Alright. Let's see, what's this? And the last thing, a little skull baggie to put it all in. Hooray! Oh, that's really nice. It's really nice. Well, that's it. Oh, it smells terrible. That was one of the worst smells I've ever smelled. Let's just put all that back. I'm just gonna put back the things I'm not gonna use in the near future. All of this. I'm just gonna keep out my nice pipe and my bong, because my near future is probably gonna have both of these being used soon. Yeah, I really like this box this month. I like how it had 2 glass pieces, and it really, this is my favorite piece. This will probably be my everyday piece, honestly. I haven't even used it. I have a piece this small, and I'm excited to try it. Well, that's how I feel about the Lifted Ladies box today. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like what you saw today. Leave me some feedback. Take it easy. Have a good one.